Hey there, folks. Mike here. Mike here. Let me ask you a question. Residual income. Isn't that everybody's dream? Wouldn't you rather have money coming in month after month after month when you do the work only one time? I mean, come on. Let's face it. We're all looking to make money online, right? We all want that magic pill, that way to make money and go off and live on some tropical island somewhere. Well, it doesn't always work like that, but there is a way. There is a way where you can start building a residual income starting today. There is an amazing opportunity, National Wealth Center. There, I said it. The cat's out of the bag. National Wealth Center, NWC, is such an opportunity like no other compensation plan out there that pays you the same day someone joins your opportunity. You know what? You don't have to wait to the 15th of next month to get paid. You don't have to wait till Friday. 3 or 4 people join your opportunity today, you get paid today. You can take that money out of your account today. It's that easy. Look, if you're looking for a way to make some money, and I don't mean where you have to work every day to make some by next week or by next month, but if you're looking for a way to make money every day, then in fact, that's my new phrase, every day's payday. Every day is payday. And you can take that money out every single day. But you know what? That money's there next month and the following month and the following month. That's what makes National Wealth Center such an amazing business opportunity. You get paid the same day. You take out your money the same day. That money comes in month after month after month. Talk about residual income. And you know what? You can get in for as low as $25. You get someone to join your opportunity today for $25, that's it. You're in the clear. Your payment is paid. It's taken care of. You're now in the black. You're good to go. You're not out any money. So you've got to check out this opportunity. There has never been an opportunity like National Wealth Center. One little $25 sale, and guess what? You're covered. You're taken care of. You're not out any money. And think about the residual income. You need to get started today, and here's why. You know what? This is 2015. 2016 is going to come whether you like it or not. This summer is going to come whether you like it or not. This fall is going to come whether you like it or not. Next year is going to come whether you like it or not. But if you start working today, in just a few short months, you can have such amazing money coming in every single month. You can quit your regular job. You can work from home full time. You can make money online. And isn't that what you'd rather want to, isn't that what you'd really rather want to do? And not have to go to some boss, some job, some commute, somebody you don't even want to be around? You can work from home. You can be your own boss, and you can make residual income month after month after month with National Wealth Center. So I'll tell you what, go ahead and enter your email address right here, right there. You're not doing it. Enter in your email address, and I will send you so fast information on how you can join for $25. It's that easy, and you'll be on the way toward making residual income every month with National Wealth Center. Again, this is Mike.